Now I am going to work with the setting option. You will see that there are something in the website, that is the logo, and there is a favicon icon, and also in the bottom you see there are phone numbers, social media icons, etc. are actually the settings. So I will create a settings table here so that you can understand. So settings. So first of all, I will go to work with the logo and favicon. So click here, create 3 items. So ID, one is logo and another one is favicon. So here I give here varchar 255 is okay, and here auto increment. Click on here, you see this one. I am going to insert manually logo.png and favicon.png. So something like that. So these are the 2 icons here in this website. Now I will give an option in the admin panel so that admin can change those options. So I am going to the sidebar of the admin, and here you see this is the sidebar. So like this drop down here, after this I am going to add, that is the settings. So it is setting section, and here I am going to work with the setting logo. For example, this one is the setting favicon. So favicon, and here is, if there is other, for example setting footer or something like that, I will work, but not now. Logo and favicon is okay now, and here is setting logo for the first time. So I work with the logo first, so it will be setting here, it will be logo, and here it will be logo. Now I am going to remove others, so only logo I am going to give here. You see, sorry, what is happening? So here remove only this. So okay, so setting section, you see logo, click here, setting logo.php. So here I am going to create into the admin, that is setting logo. And in this case of logo setting, I am going to work with the, for example, there were post edit or something where there was a photo. So copy this and I am going to paste it here. So in the case of logo setting, in the bottom it is not needed, so remove it. And here you see this is also not needed. And here I will select the data, existing data, right? So in this case, what I will do, here I am going to photo edit, and here copy this on, and in the setting logo here I paste it, select all from settings where id equal to, here it will be 1, so id equal to 1. So here it will be setting data, so it will be, sorry, it will be setting info. So this is the setting data, here id equal to 1 is okay, fetch. So setting info, and here edit logo, and here is nothing, remove it, and here multipart is okay, existing logo, and existing logo will be setting info of logo, and change logo, and here it will be logo. And now other items I am going to remove from here, so that means remove everything. So only update will be logo, and these things are okay, logo is 200 is okay, and this is edit logo. And when the submission will be happen, then I will come here, remove it, only the logo or photo section is needed, so I remove all other things. So if you do not give any photo, then there will be a problem. If path equal to empty, then throw exception, throw new exception, please upload a photo to upload. And when everything is okay, so no else is needed, here I write like this. So it will be logo underscore time, file name is this, and here it will check if the photo or logo is valid or not, and unlink will be the previous one. So instead of this, I am going to do one thing, that is this info I am going to put into the top here. So setting info, so setting info I will have to write in this location, that is setting info of logo. So I will have to delete the previous one and new one I will have to upload, that is the file name into the upload. So that is okay. And here's update setting and this one. So success message logo is updated, and here remove this. So what is here? Update setting set logo equal to this, where id equal to 1. So put it into one single line, so like this. Okay. So file name 1, it is okay, and setting logo is updated, and it will take the user to the setting logo.php, and if error, then again setting logo.php. So let's refresh. You see that existing logo is this. Now I am going to the project and upload any other thing as logo. For example, this is the logo. So update, please select a photo to upload. It is not working, right? So this is the logo actually, not photo. So here you see featured photo, it will be actually the logo. And in other things it is okay. This is logo everywhere. Path, here is path name, this is okay. Logo okay. So refresh it again. I again try to upload this one as the logo. So update, you see, yes, this is the logo. Now in the front end where there is logo, I will change it. So I am going to the front end header. In the top of the front end header, I am going to call a table, that is the setting data. So from the settings where id equal to 1, here I use the setting data. So setting data of logo will be in my case where there is logo. Logo is here, you see. So this was logo.png, but it will be now setting data of logo. So logo will be dynamically loaded. In the bottom there is no logo is only into here. So refresh it, you see the logo is showing here. So the logo is working. Now I am going back to the previous one, that is my main logo, and refresh, you see logo back again. Now I am going to work with the Favicon, and you already see that I already have the Favicon in the database table. So now I will just create another option here in the sidebar, that will be Favicon. So let's write here, that is Favicon, and here it will be Favicon, and here change it to setting favicon.php. So now I will have to create a page that is setting Favicon. So create here, that is setting favicon.php. okay, so it will be similar to logo. So I am going to copy the data from here, and in the setting Favicon I go to paste. So it is the setting info. Now it is also okay. Edit, here it will be Favicon, and now here existing logo will be Favicon here. So just change the name, and here it will be Favicon, and here it will also be Favicon. So like this, and update, and then it will go here, and instead of logo I am just going to change the Favicon. So Favicon where there is logo, and here is also the Favicon, and setting favicon.php, and here is logo, it will be Favicon, and this one will be setting Favicon. So all the logo is anywhere? No, there is no logo anymore. So let's do that in the backend first. So click here, it was my Favicon. Now if I want to add another thing as Favicon, that can be any photo. For example, I am going to have this photo as Favicon. You see Favicon is loaded. If I refresh, you see it is not working because in the front end I did not do anything, but you see it is working. So I go to the header, and what I did in the case of setting data of logo, I call here. So similarly I will have to go to the Favicon section. You see here is favicon.png, so I replace here by Favicon, and so in the front end it will work. So refresh, you will see that Zim photo is coming as a Favicon. And in the admin panel, if you want to change this by the same thing, so in the admin I am going to the admin layout header, and here is also a Favicon, right? So in the top I can call here the select all from setting, where there is setting data, and here I can just use the setting data of Favicon. So in the case of admin panel, you see the same Favicon icon is loaded, this icon. So I now go back to the previous and the real on. So refresh, you see the real on coming here. Refresh, you will see the real on is coming back to the main Favicon again. Now I am going to work with the top bar and footer. You see in the top bar actually nothing main important thing, only one email address is showing, and this is the today date I will show you here, and all other things are dynamic and I am not going to touch it. And in the footer, if you want, you can just make it as it is, because copyright these things should be in easier dynamic. So if you want, you can give access to change everything, or just make it like copyright 2025 here, just make the year dynamic, so it is okay. And the contact information, that means address, email and phone number is important here to check, and social media icons. So for all these things I am going to my settings table, and here in the structure I add some more items. So one is top bar email. Here is this one, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 for example. Okay, so total 9 data. So here I am just going here to add 9 fields after the Favicon. So one will be top email, and one is footer. So footer address, and then footer email, then is footer phone. So top bar, here you can use top bar email also, and footer. And social media icons. Social media icons mean here you will see in the front end Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, something like that. Facebook and LinkedIn, or here Twitter. If you want, you can give here the Twitter, LinkedIn, and then what are given there, I am going to check. Pinterest and Instagram. So Instagram is okay, and Pinterest. So these will be the links. So I am going to give here Bharkar in his cases, no problem, and the link should not be very big, so 100 is okay for it. And footer phone and other things, here I am going to give here a text area, because it can be multiple lines here, so I give text area for this. And if you want, you can make all the items nullable, so make all nullable, so it is okay. So save it. You see currently there is no data into here. Nullable all item, because the admin can want to remove this from the top, so it is possible if you go to the top section. But I am going to work with the admin panel section first. Okay, so here is top bar, here is current, what I will write here, setting top and footer in the same time. So top bar and footer, here I can write top bar and footer. So setting top footer. So here I will have to create a page like this into the admin, setting top footer, and this is okay. Now I am going to check, refresh, you see top bar and footer come. If you click here, this is empty, so nothing coming. So I am going to setting Favicon, copy everything from here, paste it here. So it will be setting info is okay, edit top bar and footer, and here it will be, there is no photo here, so remove everything from here. So in the top bar, here I can write top bar email. So here it will be something like that, but outside div. So I go outside of the div, so top bar email. After that, there is no top bar phone. I am going to put here footer address, and it will be text area. So text area, so it for sometimes it comes footer address, and here the height should be controlled, for example 100. I am going to check if it works. Yes, footer address is there. So 2 second items, third, fourth. So footer email, footer email, and then footer phone. So here it will be footer email, I accept the solution, and here is footer phone, I accept the solution, but multiple comes, remove one. So setting footer email, footer phone, okay. So it is like this: top bar email, footer address, email, phone. You can put 3 items in a row if you need. So here I can write row and call md4 into 3 items. So it will be better if I write like this. So first one is this, so cut it, it is the first item here, so it is like this one, and the second item is here, that will be like this one, and it is like this, and third one is like this, and like this one, like this. So these are the things, and after that the social icons, so total 5 icons. So if I refresh, you see these are the information, top bar, and then these icons, these 3, and here are total 5. So here I am going to write, this one is social media, that means Facebook, and so here I will have to write the Facebook, and then there is a Twitter, and then there is a Instagram, and then there is a LinkedIn, and then there should be a Pinterest, not Favicon, sorry. It will be Facebook, Twitter, then LinkedIn, and then Instagram, and then Pinterest, and here it will be Pinterest. So okay, so click on here, admin panel, you see these are the information, and then I can click on update. And in the case of footer, you see if I go to the front end footer, here there is a copyright. So in this copyright you just change the year, so echo date of year, so that means the current year comes here, and you will not frequently change it. So if you need, you can modify it from here. I am not going to make any special system for it now. So already when it will be the year 2026, automatically it will be changed. So current date year will be shown here. And now I am going to put the other things. That means you see Pinterest is okay, all the things. I am going to update the data now. So when I will submit the data, here there is no photo, so it will not like this. So if empty top bar email cannot be empty. If footer address, if you want, you can make this nullable also. So I am not going to make it mandatory, I am going to make those nullable. So here set top bar email is hot, then there will be, you see the suggestion coming, so click here. Now setting are updated, top footer, and here also top footer. Let's check if it is okay or not. Footer address, email, phone, Facebook, Twitter, and then LinkedIn equal to hot, and Instagram equal to hot, and Pinterest equal to hot. So as 2 items added, so here it suggests me, and I add these 2 items here, 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 is hot, where id equal to 1. So okay, it should work. Now let's check it. In the top bar email, if I go here, the top bar in the front end, I am going to check it now. So go to the header.php, and in the top bar you see today is this. So instead of showing this one, I am now going to get the today date here. So here php echo date fzy. If I write like this and now refresh it, you see automatically today is coming here. And then after that, there will be an email address like this, right? So it will be like this. So now I am going to here. So this email will be setting of email. So here you see the setting data. I called already here setting data. So here it will be it will be top bar email. If you want, you can add a mail to also, it depends, but no, what is happening? Top bar email, setting info, top bar email has nothing. Mail to, this one I do not need to have, I am going to remove it. Setting info, not setting info, it will be setting data of top bar email. So refresh it, you see here is no data, right? So if there is no data, that means if this is empty, then the complete section will not be shown. So here I will have to write the condition, that is if this setting data of email, this one not equal to empty, then only this section will be shown, otherwise not. So refresh, you see the complete section is not showing, icon also not showing. And if I give here the info @ example.com, and then if I click on update, it is not updating. So what is the happening? I am going to check it. Here you see form action multipart not needed. Here is form 1, so post form 1. So update settings, top bar email, footer address, footer email, footer phone, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, where id equal to 1. And now I am going to check the data. The name equal to top bar email. If the data is showing here, I see top bar email is not saved into the database. So if I update, nothing is coming. So here I am going to check it. Update settings, set this where id equal to, I am going to check the database settings, top bar email, footer address, footer email, footer phone, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. So it is hard, but I do that. So now let's check it. So it is not saving data. Also there is nothing, success message also it is not working. Why? It is my top setting where id equal to 1, setting info form is this one, form action method post, form time submit, setting info in all cases, I am going to do PHP update again where id equal to here 1. So where id equal to 1, settings, update settings, top bar email. So post of top bar email. So let's check it. Sorry, but it is not working. Why? I am puzzled. This one I am going to remove. So update settings, set top bar email. I check if any error message, if empty top bar email cannot be empty. Let's check if error message coming, but success message is not coming. And if I now give prepared set statement, whatever, this update should work, but top bar email settings, I spelling check spelling in the here, No, in other cases I already have worked with the logo and favicon, you know. So top bar email is integer, really. So that is the problem here. I put it integer, but it will be var character. So and other are okay. So just put it, yes, it is saved. So all were actually okay. So I go back to previous and back my data. So it will be like this. Okay, so now it should work. Update, it is example.com and it is info. You see it is saving. If I refresh, you see info is coming here. So that means it is working. So what I am going to do, I am going to update other things in the footer. You see, this is the footer address. So copy this. I am going to make the footer address saved. Yes, it is saved. The email is this one. For example, it is example.com and support contact, and it is, for example, support. So if I update, yes, it is working. Phone number is this, and so something like this, sample phone number. It is saved. So in the footer, if I want to make it dynamic, so here you see in the footer the address is here. So here I am going to write, so PHP echo, here is setting info footer address. If it is setting info or setting data, I am going here, it is actually setting data. So in the footer I will have to write here, that is the setting data of footer address. So you see it is coming in single line. So here NL to BR I will have to apply, otherwise the new line will not show. So use this, and now like this one, undefined variable, not setting info, setting data. So refresh, you see, yes, it is working. And if there is no data, for example, if I copy this and in the left, so this is the complete list item. So here I am going to write, so PHP if setting data of footer address not equal to empty, then the full thing will work. So something like that. So similarly I will have to call, it will be the footer email, and then it will be like this, setting data of footer email, it is not needed. And here is the end if. So setting data footer phone, similarly it will be here, that is setting data footer phone, and here will be end if. So you see, if I refresh, it is coming dynamically. Now if I just remove it, footer address, load it, complete address section is removed from here with the icon, and if I bring it back, you see it is coming. So in this way these things will also work. And Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you see, if there is no nothing like this, for example, first I am going to show it by the anchor. So here PHP echo, and you see it is suggesting me this. So click here, yes, automatically it is inserted. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest is in the 5th item, LinkedIn is here. Okay, now I am going to check, that is PHP, and here if setting data of Facebook not equal to empty, then only this one will be shown. Similarly, if Twitter not equal to empty, then it will be shown. If LinkedIn not equal to empty, then it will be shown. If this one, and last this one. So now let's check it. If you see all are empty. Now I am going to give the Facebook update. It is going to be updated, yes. Now if I go to refresh, you see Facebook coming only. Okay, now if you go to the Twitter and LinkedIn update, you will see these three are coming. So in this way, which one you will want, that will coming. So I bring all 5 now. So you see all 5 are coming. So in this way you can manage the footer and top bar information. Now in the home page I missed one item, that is to show the video in here. I am now going to do that. So where is the video section? I am going to the video section of the home page. So it is like this. So I am going to open the video gallery also. Here what I did, I will do the exactly same thing here. So here actually there is nothing like this. I will have to call like this one. So the item is actually here repeating the carousel item. So here PHP and here write this here. So select all from videos, order by ascending. It is okay. If you want, you can limit the data. So it depends on you how you want to do that. So this item I am going to cut and paste it here, and this item is okay, and I am removing the other items that are static items. So just remove other static items. Okay, so this item is okay here, and all the videos will be shown one by one here if you do not set any limit. And if you make any limit, so limit for example 5, so total 5 videos will come. And here you see this is the video link. So here I am going to copy echo, then row of YouTube. So it will be like this. Similarly it will be also the YouTube here, and the title will be here. So here I am going to give the row of title, and here is row of video date. I'm not sure if I added this. So go here, you see created at. So here write created at. So I hope it will work. Now I am going to refresh. You see the videos are coming 4 items, and this is 5 items, and you see this is my dynamic video that I added, and it was not into the static section. So every video is coming. So in this way, you can work with the video section in the home page. Now I am going to show you another important thing that is actually not important for all, but some people may want this. So I am going to show you this. That is, if you want to show this demo to your client, so how you can set up the demo, I will work with that now. That means if you want to show your client that you have a website like this, and you give him some access. For example, you give him the login access, so he can log in and see all the data, but he cannot change anything in this website. For example, when he will go to contact, he will not be able to send the message if the demo mode is on. But if the demo mode is off, then the website will work as normal. But when the demo mode will on, then the website will not work as normal. Okay, so in this case he will see that no operation is allowed in demo. For example, he can log in is okay, but if he wants to access the forget password, he will not be able to do that. Even he can see all the demo of the admin panel. He can log into the admin panel and see everything, but if he wants to delete or edit any data, he cannot do that. So the demo mode will be needed to add here. I will make it very easily so that you can understand. I am going to the config.php file, and in the bottom I am going to define a demo. That means here I am going to show you the demo mode. So demo mode, you can set up the value is equal to on, demo mode on or off, or here if you want you can give here the on. That means demo mode on means the demo is on. So if the demo is on, then I am going to define a message that is, for example, I am going to define another one, that is demo message or demo notification. So in the demo notification, you can show a message to your user that you cannot change anything in demo mode. For example, demo mode. So in this way you can do that. So in the demo mode, if it is on or off, for example, I am going to activate the demo mode. On means demo mode is activated. Okay, so if the demo mode is activated, I am going to the contact page first. Here you see after submitting the contact, it comes to here first. So in the top I can write if the demo mode equal 1, then what will happen, exception will be the demo notification. So as this is exception, nothing after that will be worked. So just put this after starting the try and it will work. So let's check the contact page now. If the demo mode is on, it is okay, you cannot change anything, use demo mode. So you if you give anything here or not, that does not matter, you cannot change anything in demo mode. So if you give the correct one, the same thing will be happened, you cannot change anything in demo mode. But if from the config you make the demo mode to 0, okay, so now it will work. That means now if you click here, name cannot be empty, if you give this, you see email is invalid, so everything is started working. So demo mode 1 I active, and then you see send message, you cannot change anything in demo mode, so you are just seeing the demo. So this is the contact page form. There is a newsletter. If I go to the newsletter, you can show the same thing. So I can do it into the footer. So in the footer, if where is the submission, the submission is using here the form newsletter. So in this case, what will happen, here you will see that when demo mode, you can completely change this to a system that here, what can be the easy system here. So if this is okay, but here I am going to change the mode, because to handle the demo mode with Ajax can be a issue. But Ajax newsletter, here it is calling form newsletter, okay. So here is the check is Ajax newsletter dot here. So array success message. So here if as there is a config file, here if I try with this, let's check it. If the demo mode that I worked with the contact, same thing, copy paste it here, it should work actually, right? So let's check it. You see, you cannot change anything. Yes, it is working. So if you give anything here or not, that does not matter, you cannot change anything in demo mode. So you can easily do that. So Ajax newsletter, so in the front end, where are the forms? This is a form. Contact page has a form. If I go to about, there are no forms. Login has a form. Forget password, I will stop it into the forget password. So go to the forget password, and here I activate the demo mode 1. Okay, so now refresh, submit. You see, you cannot change anything. Back to login page, and in the login only you can do that. So here was test author1 at the rate of example.com 1234, right? So you see, you can see it. And after the login, dashboard has no action. Profile, you cannot change the profile here. I will have to stop the author profile. So in the author profile, in the top, I will apply this one. So if you now change or wants to change anything, you cannot do that. You cannot change anything in demo mode. If you want to change the photo, that will not work also. If you want to change the photo, the same message you will see, you cannot change anything because this is demo mode. I stop you in the beginning, so you cannot do anything. So here you see author post, and here I am going to the create post, and here you will also see the same thing, that is post create. Here in the top I will show demo mode. In the edit section, here in the top I will start the demo mode. So if you want to submit anything, you will see you cannot change anything. And also if you go to the edit, if you want to change anything, update, not possible because it is in demo mode. And also you cannot delete it. So in the same thing I will work in the delete. And in the case of delete, you see I did not work with try catch. So it is always better to have a try catch. Then what I can do, try and catch. If there is no try catch, I use a try catch. Okay, so it is better. So here you see this is the try action, so like this. So there are many things here like the here, so it is not a good section. In that case of delete, what I can do, if this is there is demo mode, if this is demo mode, so that means here or here I can use try catch or try. If I use try here, and the catch here is in the bottom like this. So in case of delete, if I want to use this way, so I will have to use like this. But here is actually no error message, so the main thing is try, so I will not use this one. I am thinking to make it easy. So here okay, let's go to here. If demo mode equal to 1, I am going to send the user, but in notification I want to show him. How I can show him the notification? So here I am going to check throw exception. Throw exception means error message, right? So I am going to show session message. So session error message equal to demo notification, and redirect to here and this here. So after redirection, as this is redirection, it will not go here. So let's try it. So view post, I am going to check it. If I delete it, you see you cannot change in the mode, so it is working perfect. What I wanted, you cannot delete this one. Okay, so you cannot delete it. So this is the data that I am going to save this into my help file, so that I do not lost this. So it is the demo mode one type, and when there was delete, here I used this type of thing. So here it will be like this. Okay. So I hope you understand the author section, and author profile I already added. So author post has no form. So here is form on. Which is the form on in the author post? In the author post, in this case, what is the form? So author post is this page, like so here is no form. So how I get the form on here? So this is actually not the real data, so remove it. It is not needed, because this is view page. Why there will be post here? So it is okay. Create post is separate page, so cannot do that. Okay. So I hope you understand it. Now I am going to check author profile is okay, author category. Now if in the front end, if there is any other place, I am going to check. So post, profile done, dashboard. Now log out. And now I am going to home page. If there is any other form, there is no form here, but there is a contact form in the bottom in the contact page, right? Here is the form. So same thing I will apply into the post.php. So in the post.php, what I will do when I am going to submit the contact form, so it will show the error. So in the form comment, I will apply this thing. So copy, and in the post.php here, I paste it. So demo notification. So if you want to submit the comment, it is not possible. It is not possible. Post comment, you see, you cannot change anything in demo mode. Also here I am going to check, there is an online poll section is there. So I think this is okay. Form reply, there is a reply in the form also. So you know, there was a popular post, and here in this post there is a reply. So here I will have to stop that same thing like this one. So like this is the form reply. Now if you try to reply, that means if you want to submit it, so submit, you cannot change anything in demo mode. So tag wise post and other section is okay, and here is nothing to change, it is just search. Okay, and there is a online poll, so that is important. So the poll is into the sidebar. So I go to the sidebar. Here you see form poll. So here I will call the same thing, that is the demo mode on. Now if you try to submit the data, it will show you cannot change anything in demo mode. And photo gallery and video gallery actually has no input form. So for the home page, there for the front end, I have completed the task. Next I will work with the back end. Now for the admin panel, I am going to do the same task. And here I just see one thing that I missed in the admin panel, that is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, if you want, you can show the more data. For example, I am going to the admin, and you will understand that in the admin I have added hot things, that is the dashboard, that means the index. So index, or here I call the dashboard, it is also okay. So total how many items will be shown here. Here I can show that the total category. So from the categories you will be able to see everything. So here I can call in the top. So here I am going to call the data PHP. So PHP select all from categories table. So categories table, and here nothing other is needed because I will show the total data. So here it will be like this. So here it will be total categories. So total categories will be how many I am going to show here. So not like this, it will be the total categories. So the total items I will need to show here. So here what things I will do, the total categories. Now if I go to the dashboard, you see total categories 7, and here I want to show another a icon that can be for wall. So what I can use here, I am not going to change it, but if you want, you can give here separate type of icons for each one. So that is not a problem. But my I am not right now design focus, so I can write something. What I can write here, I am going to select. So here what will be better. Now I am going to check. So pick up a good icon. So that can be anything for like this one. So check it how it looks like, this one or this one. Copy, and here I am going to check this is the thing, and here in the admin panel, okay, total categories is okay. So FAS, if a table is good. Now there will be total subcategories. So subcategories will be similar to this, and here it will be subcategories, and here it will be subcategories. So here I will write total subcategories. So refresh, you see total subcategories this, and total post. Now here total post I can give here total posts, and in the case of total posts I am going to give posts table. I am going to get the data, and here it will be the total posts, and so in the bottom here I will write the total posts. So refresh, 16 posts in total. Advertisement is not the important thing. Total comment you can show here, no problem. So just copy the data, and here it will be total comments, and from the comments table I will check the total comments. So comments will be the table total comments, and here it will be the total comments. So if you go here, you will see this one, and here I can use that table for wall. So this one table, and this one success, and here is table. Okay, so every icon should be same right now. So after the comment, the pages, and here is the settings. So author is the important. So total authors I can write here. So that means here total authors. So authors, and here total authors. Total admin is also an author, so I write here total authors including the admin. but it is not working because the table will be actually the users. Authors is okay, but users, you see total authors 4. So next will be total photos and total videos. So here I can write total photos, total videos. Here it will be photos and here it will be videos. So here it will be total videos and here it will be total photos. Now I am going to copy the first 2 item again, and in the last I am going to add this. So total photos and here will be total videos. So here it will be total photos and here I will have to call that it will be the total videos. So refresh it, you see this. And if you want, you can show other things here. Total subscribers, live channel, online poll, total subscriber, total FAQ. You can do that, no problem. 1 2 3 4. So 3 4 means this 2, copy this 1 2 again 3 4. So here will be total subscribers, total here can be fact items, and here will be 1 2 3 4, then again 1 2 3 4. So again 1 means this design I am going to copy, and in the bottom I am going to paste it. So here it will be the total polls. So total first one is subscribers, so it is subscribers, but where status equal to who is on active. So here status equal to I am going to write that will be active here, and here it will be like this. So total subscribers. So the next one will be here total facts. So total facts, and here it will be total facts and total polls. So here is polls and total polls. So here the total subscribers, here it will be the total subscribers where there is a FAQ items facts, and here total polls will be total polls. So refresh it, you see it is coming. So I hope you understand how to work with the dashboard. Now let's go to work with other sections. So profile.php. So here demo mode I am going to copy, and there is a profile.php. So here after starting the try I activate the demo mode. So copy this, and similar thing. Okay, so in the same case it is working, so it should work. Now let's go back, update. You see you cannot do that because it is in demo mode. And here if I want to forget password, here the same thing will be happened. So I am going to the forget password option, and after try I am going to call the demo mode. So here if you submit, it is demo mode, you cannot do, but you can log in here. And here is admin example.com 1 2 3 4. Here I will show one thing in the admin login and in the author login, both cases I will show something, but not now. Let's make me finish the other things. For example, the category now. So category means here I am going to copy. So I can start from the very beginning. So where there is a try, immediately after I can write the demo mode. So like this. So here is one form, it is okay. Now go to the form hero. So here I am going here. Okay. So unlink, here you see there is another one here, right like this, but here there is no try case. For this reason I am going to use here this system. That means here instead of writing this, I am going to write this way. So it is, if the demo mode is on, error message equal to demo notification, base URL will be hot, base URL will be here changed, that is here, and then exit. And as I am going to use exit, nothing after that will be executed. So this is the form 2. So form 1 demo mode and form 2 in this way. So after that, home hero, there is sidebar. Here I use this one, demo mode, and there is a form 2, you see similarly. So what I did here, I am going to copy, and here I am going to paste it, and here advertisement side bottom will be here, side bottom. So it should work. So this is done. And in the footer, if there was anything like that, I'm going to check. No, the footer had only one item. No, form 2 was also in there. So the similar thing I will have to apply here, that I did not apply it. So it is home footer. So copy and paste it here, that is home footer. So this is done. And now the next item is sidebar bottom. I added already here. Sidebar top. So in the sidebar top, after try, I call it, and here in the bottom I call this demo mode copy, and sidebar top, here I am going to paste it. Here it will be sidebar top instead of bottom. So after that, I am going to advertisement top, and here call this in the top, and here similarly I am going to copy this data, and here I am going to paste it, and here it will be advertisement top, not sidebar top. So the things are done for the advertisements. Okay, so now I am going to the next part. So after in the admin, I worked with all those. Now author create. So in the author create, call the demo mode to the top. So it will be like this. So demo mode in the top, and there is no other form. Okay, author delete. In the case of author delete, you see again this is the same type of thing like this. So copy this. In the author delete, in the top I call this, and here you see author view, it will be author view.php. Okay, fine, author delete is okay. Now like the author create, what I did here, I am going to copy, and author delete is done. And now I am going to author edit. So in the case of author edit, here demo mode will be in the top, and it is done. Author view, here is actually nothing about the form. Now go to the category create. So in the category create, put it in the top, and category edit, then put it into the top. Category view, here is nothing I think. And category delete, in this case I again call this, and in the category delete you see select all from thing. After this, actually I am going to check first demo mode, and it is the category view. It is the category view. Here it will take you. So category view page. So it is the case of category delete. So let's check it. If you want to delete the category, category view, admin category view, right? So not base URL, it will be the admin. So I am going to check the other sections also where I worked. Base URL, sorry, it will be all the admin URL. So in the home hero, here it will be also admin URL. In the sidebar, here will be also admin URL, and then sidebar top, here it will be the admin URL, and advertisement top, here it will be admin URL. So author create, it is okay, but where there is author delete, this will be admin URL. And in the case of category delete, this is admin URL. So let's do let's check the check it, delete it. You see, you cannot do this in the demo mode. So in this case it is working. So I delete the others. So like this, all advertisement I am going to close, and category section is also done. And here now it is changed to admin URL. So okay, so in the admin the category section is done. Now comment change the status. So comment change status, it will be similar to this, so copy, and in the comment change status after this is okay, getting the post slug update, here update starts here, right? So in the top I can call here, that is the demo mode, and it will take the user to comment view. So here it will be comment view.php. so it is okay. Comment change status, comment delete, here I am sure this will be the same thing before the deletion, that will be the comment view. Okay, so comment view is this. There is also, you see, form reply is there, so here I will use the demo mode. So in the case of form reply, just use the demo mode and it is okay. Okay, this one is done. Dashboard has nothing like this, so close everything from now. And now I am going to work with the next one. So after the dashboard, FAQ create, fact create. So here copy this on in the demo mode, I activate it, and here is nothing. So fact delete, fact edit, here also will be demo mode. Fact view has nothing, and fact delete, and in the case of delete, you know, I will have to use this. So before the deletion, add this. Admin URL is okay. Fact view, here it will be fact view, fact view.php. So close this, close this. So fact section is done. Then forget password, I already have showed you how to do that in the forget password. So now the next one is form. This is the static and nothing to do with the website, so delete it. And after the form, and then you see get this one, here is nothing to do. Invoice, it is not needed, so delete it, it is not necessary. And then subcategories, nothing. Live channel view, so here I will have to write demo mode, activate it. Okay, so login has nothing to demo mode, but later I will work, but that is not this case, another case. So paste contact, I am going to here, so this is the paste contact. Paste privacy, so go here, it is paste privacy, paste term, so go here, add it. And then photo create, and in the photo create, add this. And the photo edit, and in the case of photo edit, add this mode in the top. Photo view has nothing with that. And photo delete, in the photo delete, what I will do is similar to this one, just so general, this one copy, and before starting the unlink I call it, and it will be photo view. So admin URL photo view. Okay, so here I am going to copy this, and after the photo delete, photo edit already worked, I worked with this. And then poll create, so in the poll create, call it in the top, that is the demo mode. Okay, and then poll edit, so call it to the top like this. Poll view has nothing to do with this. And poll delete, so here similarly I am going to copy, and in the poll delete, before starting the deletion, so start from here, and it will be the poll view. So poll view, here one thing is important, when you will delete the poll, when I will check the poll stable if status, it is okay, but when you will delete the poll, delete it from the poll details table to. So here you can delete all the things, that means poll details, where poll ID equal to this ID, request of ID. So this was missing, so I add this, and I hope it will work now. So poll view is okay. Poll edit, I already added this. And then post create, so in the post create, put this demo mode in the top, and then post edit, here also call the demo mode in the top. post view has nothing with this, and post delete. So in the case of post delete, what I will write, copy this, and this is the post delete, and before the unlink I call it, that is the post view. So post view, and this will be here in the case of post delete. And then profile, I already have worked with the profile and demo mode is there. And then reply change the status, here it will be like this one. So copy this and change the status. It starts from here, right? So here I can call this, that is the reply view. So here I write reply view. So this is the demo mode. So it is reply change the status, and in the reply here you see that is the reply delete. So before deletion paste it. So reply view.php, it is okay. And then reply view has nothing. Reset password, no need. Settings Favicon. So I close all the things from here now and copy this, and settings Favicon here call the demo mode. So like this on, and here is nothing needed. Then setting logo, and here add the demo mode, setting top. So here add the demo mode, and then I am going to the setting.php. It is a static, and so it is not needed, so remove the setting.php. Now subcategory create, here when there was create, add this, and when edit also add this on, and then where is there is a view, nothing. When delete, then I am going to use the thing that is here. So in the case of delete, in the case of delete, add this. It is subcategory view, subcategory, and here it will be the view. So this is the subcategory delete. Subcategory edit, I added this on, and subcategory delete, subscriber delete. So subscriber delete means this on copy, and subscriber delete here paste it. Here is subscriber view, and notification. Okay, subscriber export has nothing, subscriber view has nothing to do work with. So table, so table is not needed, so I delete the table. And video create, and in the video create I am just going to copy this on, video create in the top. Here is demo mode, so it will be like this. And then after that the video delete, video edit. So in the video edit, I call this. So this is the video edit, and video view nothing to work with, and video delete. So in the delete of the video I will have to call this. So here before deletion apply this. This is video view, so video view.php. So it is actually done in all the cases. You see, you cannot edit anything, you cannot modify anything of this website, right? So you cannot do that because you are now in the demo mode. And when I log out, you see there is nothing in the field, but as you are showing the sample information to the user, you should fill up this data. So that means if demo mode equal to 1, I am going to do the in the admin login page. Here where is the login form? So in the login form you see there is no value, but here I apply. That means if demo mode equal to 1, then here I will write something. What I will write? admin@example.com. So similar thing I will write in the case of password. Okay, accept this, that is value demo mode 1, then equal to 1 2 3 4 is the password here. So in that case you do not need to give anything here, just already fill up login because this is demo mode. But if you remove the demo mode, this will not be here. So similarly I am going to apply the same thing in the case of author login. So author login means here the login is in this place, where this was the email, and so value equal to, I call it will be test author1 at the rate of example.com, and in the value it will be 1234. So let's do that in the front end also. Login, as this is demo mode, you see it is already filled up. Just click on login. So it is for the user facility, for the facility of the user, so that he does not need to put anything here. But if you remove the demo mode, the website will go back to previous state again, and you go to the config, make it real mode now, and so refresh, you see it is not here. So in the real mode, you will have to give the email address also here, as this is real mode. So you see you must have to give the information here now. So I hope you have understood the total process that I have described.